Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience. Thomson Reuters offers a robust suite of tax solutions, accessible via their website at tax.thomsonreuters.com/en. This online platform acts as a central hub for various tax-related services, catering to a wide range of needs, from individual taxpayers to large corporations and tax professionals. The site's English-language version provides access to a wealth of resources, tools, and software designed to simplify complex tax processes. Whether you're looking for up-to-date tax law information, guidance on specific tax issues, or comprehensive software solutions for managing tax liabilities, Thomson Reuters likely has something to offer. Navigation through the website allows users to explore different product categories and services based on their specific requirements. They provide solutions for corporate tax management, indirect tax compliance, tax research, and much more. One of the key strengths of Thomson Reuters' tax offerings is the depth and breadth of their expertise. They are known for providing reliable and accurate information, which is essential in the ever-changing landscape of tax regulations. Additionally, their software solutions are designed to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and improve overall efficiency in managing tax obligations. While the specific offerings available through tax.thomsonreuters.com/en may vary depending on jurisdiction and user needs, the platform serves as a valuable gateway to a comprehensive suite of tax resources and solutions. Exploring the website further can provide a more detailed understanding of the specific tools and services available, allowing users to identify the best fit for their individual or business needs. For anyone seeking assistance with tax matters, from individuals preparing their annual returns to multinational corporations managing complex international tax obligations, investigating the resources available through Thomson Reuters is definitely worth considering. They have established a strong reputation in the tax industry, providing trusted solutions for decades. So, whether you're a seasoned tax professional or simply looking for help with your personal taxes, be sure to check out their offerings at the provided link. You might be surprised by the breadth and depth of their resources and discover solutions that can save you time, money, and stress during tax season and beyond.